there's almost no better feeling in the world than being on two wheels.
Oh, so you got the grill?
Yeah, it's perfect. Yeah.
Avocado smoothie. Delicious. Hey there, welcome to another episode of Ride to Eat. I'm your host, Sam Bass, and I just want to say thank you for joining me. Today we're going to be eating some food from Goblin Grill, and also we're going to be eating a little catfish from my friends over at Lillie on the Go. Thais made some delicious catfish, and I'm gonna show you guys that all in this episode, along with a really cool ride and some back roads past Sandy, Oregon. So stay tuned. See you there. We got Jeff here with his ZX14 2007. Tell me about your bike, Jeff. Why do you love it?
It's so fast, and it's got such good control. It just eats up the corners, and it's scary, but I love it. I mean, to me, there's almost no better feeling in the world than being on two wheels.
And here goes Chris. He's going to be the next ride. So this is your CB500.
Yeah, CB500.
You got the Two Brothers pipe on there. Looks sweet. Did you have to chop the pipe, or did you just slip right on?
I just slipped right on, yeah.
Okay.
It's the right one for it.
Got my Suzuki SV650 parked next to a ZX14. I'm actually wearing a Benelli t-shirt, which makes no sense. And let's go. We just got done with the ride. We made it safe. We stayed on two wheels. Now we're gonna get some food. Go back to the Gresham Food Carts. That was a fun little loop. It didn't really get as much footage as I wanted to because I just got this Osmo Action, but we had a lot of good times on that back road. So we'll do it again sometime. All right. I'll check you at the Gresham Food Carts. Next comes the food. All right, we're back at the Gresham Food Carts after our ride. Had a great time, stayed on two wheels. It was a lot of fun. And yeah, let's go get some food. Oh, really? Well, that's keeping it in the family, huh? Steve and Joe, and how's it going?
Wonderful.
So we got.
I think it's a little dangerous.
All right.
These are fresh habaneros that Joe slices up, and we just grill them off.
You keep the seeds in and everything?
Yep. Okay, Joe, watch out. We steam it a little bit. That's just water, and that's just to loosen them up a little bit. And that's about,
Okay. Oh, secret sauce?
Secret sauce.
More of the sauce. The secret sauce?
Secret sauce.
Secret sauce.
We got a few jalapenos down.
Jalapenos? That looks delicious.
This is amazing.
burning off the alcohol in that?
Well, you know, when we make the sauce, most of the alcohol cooks off when we make the sauce.
Cooking down the jalapenos. It's gonna reduce the heat a little bit, but it's gonna also bring out the flavor. Oh, that chicken's looking delicious. Meatless chili with jalapenos.
You're gonna love it. You know, lots of onion, lots of tomato.
I have the spicy Goblin chicken sandwich, grilled chicken sandwich here, and also have their chili cheese fries with jalapenos. I'm gonna go in for the first bite of the chili cheese fries. It looks like they put on some melted cheese with their homemade chili, and they grilled these jalapenos to perfection. Looks delicious. Here we go. No, that's excellent. It's spicy. It's got some crunch to the jalapenos. It's really hot, like heat-wise, but it's not like overly spicy. Not to me, because I love like habaneros and ghost peppers. So if you can't handle like jalapenos, then you don't have to get the jalapenos. That's an additional thing. There's a first bite. Grilled habaneros. There's tomato, lettuce, and there's pepper jack cheese in here. It's juicy and delicious. I don't know if you can see, but those jalapenos is very heavy. It feels like a couple pounds of food. Costs altogether is $15, and added a tip, of course. A lot of habaneros in there at the end. Woo! I'm starting to feel the heat. I'd be careful not to use the same napkin that I've been wiping my hands with to blow my nose. That would just make things worse. It's the final bite. All the habaneros are right here at the end. That must have been like 2 or 3 habaneros on one sandwich. How did avocado smoothies even come around? Is it a real Vietnamese thing? Is that something that they do in Vietnam too?
This is a real Vietnamese thing.
What's your name?
My name is T.
T. Thank you, T, so much.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too.
All the way out of the gate.
I rarely use the brakes. I only use the brakes when I really have to.
So with your race,
Avocado smoothie, delicious.
So we just drank a whole bunch of whiskey and made a night of it.
Jumped
in a river. Jumped in a river.
That's the smartest way to do it.
It's a river I spend a lot of time in, so I
you know the
it.
river.
Yeah, I wouldn't do that in a random spot.
This catfish smells really good. It's breaded. It's got a little spice to it. But yeah, it looks like it's like perfectly breaded, man. Like check that out.
Yeah.
That's perfect. No, it's juicy and crunchy. That's what you need.
That's what you need.
But, yeah, it's perfect. Yeah, it's delicious. Got some coleslaw. The biggest bite.
We were expecting.
Those are some big noodles.
Yeah.
What kind of, What kind of spice level you got, you think? 1
Uh,
out of 10.
1 out of 10. It's probably like a 7 or an 8.
Find any fires lately?
Oh, it's been a little bit for me. There was one last night,
Oh man.
but nothing too crazy.
Yeah. These guys are gearing up. You guys got a call?
Yeah.
All right. Good luck out there.
Thank you.
Off to fight the fires. Save the world. Had a lot of fun eating here at the Gresham Food Carts. It was really nice of Alex to accommodate us out here, and you know, just a lot of good times. Had fun with Jeff on the ride. Had some delicious food, spicy but delicious. And I just want to thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next episode. Next time on the next Ride to Eat, gonna meet up with some more riders and do some more riding and eat some more great food. So check it out next time. See you then.